All right, time to take a look at the EMBATHER full system shower kit. So I do like that we have an installation manual and it is in color, so that's nice. Okay. So this is the shower arm. First thing I'm noticing about it is definitely feels heavy duty. Like this is a heavy feeling arm. They didn't slouch when they were making this thing. They have good looking threads on here. Nothing looks banged up or chipped or anything like that. So that's good. And here we should have the long shower arm. So again, looks and feels real high quality. There aren't any kinks or anything in the bend. We can see we have brass threading right here, so we don't have to worry about damaging anything inside the wall. But yeah, everything on here looks real good. And I do like that they have everything individually wrapped. It's really good to have this thing protected. This is the Ecution. So this just sits in the arm. Just thread that through. And one thing I am noticing is we do have a rubber seal on there, so we don't have to worry about water getting back behind there. So these are important because it's going to help to protect your wall, but it's also going to just make everything look nice. So if your hole wasn't drilled perfectly, which none of them are, this will just kind of cover that up. And we have another one just like it. And we've got, oh, it's nice. Came with a nice thick roll of tape. So this is going to last forever. That's cool. Got some gloves, and then we got our hardware. So we got some screws, got some fittings, some anchors in here. Got really everything we need. So that's nice. And all right. So this is going to be the star of the show. Okay. Look at that. So we have quite the rain shower head here. Like this is a massive head. Like this, just installing this in a shower is going to make any shower look better. So a great big thing. Plus we have different settings. So we can swivel this thing around to give you different patterns. This is a really nice head. Plus it has these little rubber nozzles on here. So if you want to prevent these things from getting clogged up, all you have to do is just rub your finger on it every once in a while. So very nice. This is a great shower head. It does have standard threading on top and it is screened and it's fairly stiff, but it does have articulation. So you can put that somewhere, it's going to stay there, but you can move it around if you need to. This is probably the second star of the show. This one's going to be for your body. So this one you can take off and you can wash off your legs real easy. These things are great to have. If you have a shower that doesn't have something like this, you need to get one. Like these are really nice to have. Again, we have different settings. Well, we have a lot of different settings for different patterns. Quite a bit. And whichever one you like the best, your partner probably isn't going to. That's what I find. But yeah, that's great. Again, we have these nice rubber nozzles, so keeping this thing clean isn't going to be a problem. You don't have to worry about like 6 of these working and the rest of them being clogged. So that's nice. All right, and this is the hose for this, so you just attach that on, then we can thread that into the wall. There we go. Here's our wall plate. We can see it is labeled. This is actually a pretty nice looking plate. So we got hot, we got cold, and then our handles are going to come in right here. And so this is the valve. So this is the heart of the system. So you want to be real careful when installing one of these things. If you don't know what you're doing, hire a professional. But the fact of the matter is you can install this yourself. If you have, just watch some YouTube videos, you can kind of figure it out. Just be real careful, know what you're doing. Again, if you're uncomfortable with it, hire a professional because you don't want this thing leaking behind your wall. But you just connect your hot side over here, your cold side over here, screw it to the wall. And it even says on this plate, finished wall flush with this surface. So this should sit up right against the wall. We do have valves for either side. And there was an Allen wrench in there, so you can use that to open these things up. And again, we have nice rubber rings here. So this will sit on there, just like that. There you go. So that looks pretty good. Okay, and this is our rotation. Oh, this is actually going to select if you're going to be using the shower head or that this handle right here. So this is your selector for that. We got a little set screw in here, so that will just attach on the bottom hole right here. So you just drive that set screw in, and you can put that wherever you want. Okay, and then this is the handle. There we go. So not really a lot to that. If you can get the valve installed, the rest of this is super easy. So yeah, so this is your on and off and your temperature. That's pretty cool. Looks pretty nice. And then in back here, this is a strangely heavy duty holder right here. So this is full metal. This is not any plastic. So we've got another Ecution. We'll put that on here. This will thread into the wall. And then the hose can come out here, so it's probably going to be like this. And then you can hang the hose for this right in there. So this is the hose, and this has a very nice look to it. You can see they have everything all capped off, so we don't have to worry about anything getting in there and then clogging up the system. So Yeah, that is a nice hose. So yeah, if you like that brush look, and I personally love it, I love the way this thing looks, then this is going to make your shower look 10 times better. Like, this is a great set.